Welcome to a walkthrough of a Luxe 42RL fifth wheel. At a length of 43 feet, the average GVWR is 24,000, and the estimated hitch weight is 4,700. This 42RL has been optioned with the Gen Y hitch in place of the standard MORryde. Here is a very rare view of the bay without a generator. It gives us a great view of the equalizer system. All the lines are color-coded and are not daisy-chained, which means if one jack malfunctions, the others will still operate until the one can be serviced. On the marker light is one part of the 4-camera system: sides, backup, and over entry. The pass-through has the MORryde tray slide and still plenty of more room. The pass-throughs on all of our coaches are enclosed to protect and insulate wiring and plumbing, which are still accessible through doors on each side of the pass-through. Each slide has been opted with a topper to protect the slide-out roof from debris. Moving closer to the entry, we have the step-above stairs, elongated handrail, and above you can see the entry camera with the scare light, along with the marine-grade speakers. Awning is equipped on the dinette slide, and you can option an outside TV that would sit just under the smaller window here. The ladder up to our walkable roof. If you'd like to learn more about our roof construction, you can click on the card in the upper right-hand corner. On the back cap is the backup camera. The front and the rear caps are insulated with a radiant barrier along with high-density fiberglass. Here we have the 32-foot electrical power cord. Certainly saves you time from coiling it up yourself. The Luxe Elite series comes with the Elite Scheme Standard, 3 colors of your choice in fully automotive grade paint, 2 clear coats with a wet sand cut and buff. We will get closer to the wet bay where we can see the fill lines, flushes for the black tank, winterizing, and the disconnects. The 42RL has a 100-gallon fresh, an 80-gallon gray, and a 40-gallon black. In the access panel, we can see the insulated PEX lines and the water filtration system. Close up on the equalizer system that comes with an auto level, and before you pull away with your coach, our delivery team will show you how it works. So let's head on inside. Starting off, we have the dual decor beachfront cabinetry, but then Chelsea gray on the island and dinette. The dinette seating pulls out 2 more leaves to accommodate more guests, and on the table is the tablet for our 4-camera system. Overhead storage all the way across the slide. Reclining seating here, and the matching sofa that has a pull-up mattress for guests. Now, our standard and our upgradable furniture options are all locally made here in Elkhart County. Into the kitchen, where we have a lovely deep cabinetry. All of our cabinetry is real hardwood. Moving over to the 30-inch residential stove and convection microwave. The 30-inch residential stove is an option. You can get a 24 or an Insignia cooktop if you so choose. The island is equipped with a dishwasher and has a single stainless bowl sink. You can option for a composite sink if you like, as well as 2 bowls instead of single. A quick look at the pantry. All of the drawers in the coach are going to be dovetail jointed and have under-mount glides for strength. The 42RL offers a great bathroom and bedroom layout, with the ability to close it off from the bedroom. No guests have to walk through your room to get to it, and you yourself can get to it without opening any slides. Here we have the one-piece fiberglass shower with built-in seat, rainfall glass door, and the skylight for extra room. Corner vanity with medicine cabinet, and right before the entry to the bedroom is the stackable washer and dryer. King-size bed here with plenty of room to maneuver, large nightstands with 110 outlets, individual reading lights, and above head storage. This floor plan offers dual wardrobes within the slides. They offer a place to put shoes, hanging rods, and on this side a set of drawers. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. If you have any questions, drop a comment or give us a call, 844-284-6678. Till next time.